Scientists have just discovered something at the very edge of the universe that should not exist. It breaks the rules of physics, and if confirmed, it could change our understanding of reality forever. For centuries, humans have looked at the night sky, believing that the universe follows predictable laws. From gravity to light, everything seemed to obey a cosmic order, but new discoveries are challenging that belief. Using the most powerful space telescopes ever built, scientists are now observing regions of the universe that were once completely invisible to us. And what they are seeing is deeply unsettling. First, let's clarify something important. The universe does not have a physical wall or border. When scientists talk about the edge of the universe, they are referring to the observable universe. This is the farthest distance light has been able to travel since the universe began, about 13.8 billion years ago. Beyond this point, light simply hasn't had enough time to reach us. In theory, this region should be simple, chaotic, and fading, but that's not what scientists are finding. This discovery became possible thanks to next-generation observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope, advanced radio telescopes, deep-field astronomical surveys. These instruments can detect extremely faint light from galaxies formed shortly after the Big Bang. In other words, they allow us to look back in time, almost to the birth of the universe itself. And that's where the mystery begins. When scientists analyze data from the farthest observable regions, they notice something unexpected. Instead of random fading patterns, some areas showed structure. Galaxies appeared more organized than predicted. Energy distributions didn't match existing models, and certain regions seemed influenced by forces we cannot yet explain. According to current physics, this should not be happening. Here's where things get serious. Our understanding of the universe is based on well-tested laws: general relativity, quantum mechanics, cosmological expansion. These laws predict that the farther we look, the more uniform and chaotic the universe should appear. But these observations suggest something else may be interacting with our universe, and that possibility is terrifying because it means our models may be incomplete, or worse, fundamentally wrong. Scientists are now exploring explanations that once belonged only to science fiction. There may be forces operating beyond our current understanding, forces that exist outside standard physics. Some researchers believe this could be indirect evidence of a multiverse, multiple universes influencing each other. If true, our universe may not be isolated. The most unsettling possibility is that our laws of physics simply don't apply at the largest scales. This would mean everything we know about space, time, and reality needs to be rewritten. This isn't just an abstract scientific problem. Understanding the universe affects the origin of matter, the fate of cosmic expansion, the ultimate future of reality. If these discoveries are confirmed, they could reshape how we understand time, space, existence itself. This isn't just about stars and galaxies, it's about our place in reality. Right now, researchers are extremely cautious. Extra observations are being planned. More data is being collected. Independent teams are checking the results. Future missions will focus directly on these regions to rule out errors or alternative explanations. Science moves slowly, but when it moves the world. Every major leap in science began with something that shouldn't exist. Black holes were once impossible. Dark energy was once unthinkable. Now we're facing another anomaly, and history tells us that anomalies often lead to revolutions. The universe is not a quiet, predictable place. It is vast, mysterious, and far more complex than we imagined. And if something truly is influencing the universe from beyond what we can see, then reality is far stranger than science ever prepared us for. If discoveries like this fascinate you, subscribe to CosmoNova, because the universe always has more secrets to reveal.